One of the questions I get asked the most is, how much money do I need to start investing in the stock market? The answer for this isn't as straightforward as you may think, but I'll take you through some examples to give you some indication on how much money you would need to start investing. Ideally, you would need a diverse portfolio, or a portfolio to start with. You could say a portfolio could start from anything from 2 companies that you invested in. The companies that you invested in should be in different industries or have different chart patterns. If all of the companies in your portfolio have similar chart patterns, if the prices fall, all of your investments could fall at the same time. Apple and Facebook stocks are usually traded together within ETFs, therefore share similar trend patterns. If you only invested in Apple and Facebook alone, you could lose money when either of these stock prices falls. On the 15th of October, both Apple and Facebook stock fell by 15%. Therefore, if you only invested in these 2 companies, you would have made a loss of 15% on both companies. Having a diverse portfolio can protect your account when some of your stock prices fall. In this example, on the 15th of October, Apple stock fell by 15% over 15 days, while Match stock increased by 14%. You can see the benefits from having a diverse portfolio. So let's go back to the original question. How much money do I need to start investing in the stock market? To start off with, you need to invest in 3 companies at least. A truly diverse portfolio will start from investing in 10 companies. Now, please note that when investing, especially in 3 companies, that all of those companies that you invest in should have different trend patterns.